This is Nuno Santos. As the chief executive of a Portuguese shipyard, 49-year-old Nuno had built and sold quite a number of ships. In theory, this would make him perfect for the vacancy of proposals manager at IHC. In practice, however, they would take some convincing.
Because our client was adamant, he wanted a Dutch person. We had spoken to all Dutch candidates, nobody was open to make the move. So I actually had to convince our client first that we're not going to find a Dutch guy. You have to be open for a foreign candidate.
And considering that the South American market is becoming increasingly important for the client, this particular foreign candidate actually had some serious advantages.
Olá, o meu nome é Nuno Santos, sou da Figueira da Foz, em Portugal, e também hablo pouquinho de espanhol.
Unlike most Dutch candidates, Nuno speaks both Portuguese and Spanish. So we decided to contact Nuno. And because Middlepoint had already worked with one of Nuno's colleagues, we were confident that we could spark his interest.
A former colleague of mine had already been contracted by them, and he was very happy with them. I wanted to grow, and I did not see much space for that where I was. And here I saw the opportunity to develop my skills and my career. It's not an easy decision to change the country where you work and where you live. Lots of things could have gone wrong. I could not adapt to the country, to the people, to the company, to the work process. I have a wife, 3 kids, a mortgage to pay back in Portugal. It requires a lot of thinking. It was a family decision, of course, but I'm happy I took the decision.
Nuno was introduced to IHC and things clicked immediately, perhaps even a little too well, because after just 6 months on the job, IHC offered Nuno a permanent position. And that meant he'd be leaving us 6 months earlier than planned.
Normally that's not the scenario you're looking for, as you want to have people in your team and actually fulfill their term. In this case, IHC, us and Nuno found a good solution. And on the other hand, it's beautiful to see that something that I predicted would happen to him actually materialized in less than half a year.
But even though we were sad to see Nuno leave, we were glad to see him be as happy on the shores of the North Sea as he had been on the shores of the Atlantic.
Yes, now my family is here in Holland. That's proof enough that I'm enjoying the country and the work and the company, and everything is working out fine for now. I'm happy.